Hello, welcome to our new series Friday Facts. Now the Friday Facts is where we're going to bring opportunities for new musicians, and some of them will be super cool and very exciting, and this is one of them. So we know that it's really tough to get support gigs, so Mark has decided to do something about it. So can you tell the guys what the opportunity is and how they can apply for it?
Of course, I'm Mark Claydon from the UK band Pitchshifter, and after 10 years we're going to make a comeback tour in November in the UK, and we're offering all of the opening slots to up and coming bands. All you need to do is email us at mycareer@wbear.io, send a video link, a track and a short biography for your chance to play to thousands of people.
Amazing. So what gigs are those, Mark, on the tour? Can you remember?
Yes, we'll be playing Manchester, Bristol, 2 nights at London, and finishing up in Nottingham at Rock City.
So as well as that opportunity to play on the stage, don't forget at Waterbear we do offer a live sound and tour management commercial music BA honours degree, and the guys that are studying, the guys and the girls that are studying on that course, they'll be doing some crewing on that tour and helping on the festival stages that we run as well.